why you're seeing this beautiful Ford GT behind me is it's here for nothing but protection. It's already got the full body Expel Ultimate Plus, which is a clear film to give the paint the rock chip protection that it'll need. The next item that we actually have underneath is the Sliplo universal skid plate that goes underneath the front bumper. So when you're going through driveways, instead of the bumper taking the hit, this urethane piece is actually taking it. Lastly but not least is the Clearplex. It's a windshield protection that goes on your windshield. So instead of rocks chipping away in your glass, the Clearplex is actually taking the impact.